Welcome back to you, my above average viewers. Today I'm going to try to do a quick video on a problem with my garage door here in Northeast Oklahoma. We got about 2 feet of snow. Of course, we got the obligatory layer of ice that preceded the snowfall. I got in last night about 9:30, pulled my car into the garage. When I closed the garage door, here's what happened. We're just pretending here I didn't raise the garage door all the way. When I hit the button on the wall to close the garage door, it went down and then went back up. Let's see if we can watch this. We're going to hit the door control here on the wall. I told you we got about 2 feet of snow last night. I know it doesn't look like that to you, but it's actually only about 4 inches out there. However, being a guy, I'm not averse to lying about how many inches. You can see on both ends down there on the runner, there's a little safety sensor. That safety sensor, it sends a beam across the lower end of the garage door so that if something is in the way and breaking that beam, the garage door will not go down all the way. I made sure, since the snow was still blowing around last night, that the lenses on the sensor was clean and no ice is built up. The next issue is because this end of the driveway, there's a section right up in here. It's cracked and dropped down a little bit, and it lets ice and snow blow up under that side of the door a little bit. So I think as we go across here, you see it's pretty clear because the door comes down all the way flush. But I think the problem is that bit of ice on one end is blocking the door from coming down. We're going to start there. Pretty sure that it's the ice built up at the bottom. I'm gonna work on that. I've got my nice warm coat on. This thing up here protecting my follicularly challenged melon, and my nice warm gloves that my family unit got me for Christmas. What I've done, took my broom, swept away the lighter stuff using the end of a shovel. I chipped away the ice. I had to guess ½ an inch or so, maybe 3/4 of an inch thick, right down here along this area. I've got it pretty well cleaned out, and we're going to now hit the controller here on the wall and see if that will get the garage door down and if it will stay down. There we go. You can see there's some daylight under there. If you have daylight coming into your garage door, anytime you get rain or snow, it's gonna blow up under there. So it's cleared out for now, and the garage door will close. In the springtime, I'm going to figure out a repair for this low spot. You can see there's a good bit of daylight. There's been some shifting that I'll have to address probably in the springtime. May have to actually call someone out here who knows more than I do. But all I care about at this time is the garage door is down where it needs to be to keep most of the wind. We are getting some more snow. As I said last night, we technically got somewhere on the order of about 4 inches of snow, and we are getting more snow this afternoon and this evening. Anything from an additional inch up to a total of 9 inches. Appreciate you checking in. I'm going to warm up my fingers. We have a wind chill of about 2 degrees Fahrenheit. I think the actual temperature said it was 16 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna go in and warm my hands up with some hot cocoa, and then I'm gonna get out my leaf blower and try to blow, if the snow is fairly dry and not too compacted, try to blow some of that off of the sidewalk and driveway. And I don't know why, because I have no intention of leaving the house while this crap is on the ground. Anyway, take care. See you next time.